To the health report now. There's a call this evening for more Jamaicans to get vaccinated against the influenza virus. The call comes in light of concerns about an increase in the number of H1N1 cases, which is one of the strains from the flu virus. TVJ Shamela Pullen reports.
Influenza, also known as the flu, is a viral infection that attacks your respiratory system. It often comes with fever, headaches, muscle and joint pain, sore throat, and a runny nose. Most people recover within a week without requiring medical attention. But influenza can be serious to the point where persons end up in the hospital or sometimes may even die. Infectious diseases specialist Dr. Kathy and Pete Robinson says the most effective way to avoid getting this virus is through vaccination.
Everybody who should get it and can get it, I hope that they will each year, because it is a yearly vaccine, and that helps to increase your protection from year to year. The more often that you take your flu vaccine on a yearly basis, the better protected you are, because then your exposure to a variety of strains that are regularly circulating gives you better protection as you move forward.
Dr. Pete Robinson says all age groups can be affected. However, there are groups that are more at risk than others.
If you're pregnant or soon to be pregnant, if you have chronic medical conditions, whether it's that you've had strokes, heart attacks, kidney disease, if you have sickle cell, if you have lupus, if you have any immunocompromising condition, you have cancer, you're on steroids, any of these are long-term diseases, epilepsy, asthma, they all make you a little more vulnerable.
In addition to being vaccinated, Dr. Pete Robinson calls on Jamaicans to take other precautionary measures. These include practicing good personal hygiene.
If you are around people who are ill, make sure you wash your hands with soap and water, so that every time you are touching surfaces that you might touch somewhere that's contaminated with the flu germs, you're washing them away. Help your children to have better hygiene practices. Try not to cough on your hands.
With your health report, I'm Shamela Pullen, wishing you good health.